Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today is going to be quite different of a video that you're used to, at least coming out of my channel. So let me get you run up to speed. In a few short weeks here, AIMExpo is coming to Las Vegas. And with that, the Kleb and I have teamed up with AIMExpo, Walteriffic, Shade Tree Surgeon, Triumph Chick, and BakerXderek. What we plan on doing in Las Vegas on Saturday, October 13th is hosting a meet, greet, and ride. We figure we're all going to be in Las Vegas for AIMExpo anyway. Why don't we get together and do a fun meetup with the people that watch our videos that are in Vegas or attending AIMExpo? Before I get too far into this, let me just cut to the chase. A few days ago, we headed out to Las Vegas to sort out all the details for this upcoming meet. We decided while we were out there, we might as well make a video. As you can imagine, we got into some pretty funny stuff. We went out drinking, we partied a little bit. The funniest part of the trip is when Gabriel and the Kleb and I went over to Speed Vegas. If you're not familiar with Speed Vegas, you will be after this video. Now, before I show you the video, I want you guys to know, if you want to attend AIMExpo Las Vegas and meet us, I have a promo code that will give you a buy one, get one free ticket. It's right here, it's sub DLV. So if you do, please take advantage of this offer. It'll definitely save you some money. All right, roll the video.
No, we're gonna pass this guy. We're gonna race this guy. Ready? Johnny boy!
He only knew.
Stop.
So we're on our way to Las Vegas. In a few weeks here, the Kleb and I are hosting a meet and greet along with Shade Tree Surgeon and Walteriffic for the AIMExpo. A lot going on in Vegas. We figured we capitalize on it. So we're gonna go out there right now, check out the route, and have a little bit of fun. So we got about 4 hours of driving to go, and if you haven't noticed, we're in the Prius.
Papa Prius.
I'm not happy about the
We're
Prius.
gonna get there a lot faster than if we took your truck, I tell you.
You're gonna get a ticket.
They'll never catch me.
Are you peeing inside the car?
Yeah, just on the wheel. The brakes look hot.
What do you want to do?
Del Taco Barstow.
The original Del Taco.
The original Del Taco Taco.
What makes that one better than any other one?
Nothing. They all suck.
I cannot believe I'm in this Prius for this long.
There it is. There's the very first. The very first puppy Del Taco. We're here, everybody!
You're way too excited for Del Taco.
I'm not excited, I'm pissed.
What'd you end up getting?
Bacon double Del with carrot cake shake.
So you went to Del Taco to get a cheeseburger.
Yep.
Taco. Bun taco. I'm not gonna lie, that was kind of a disappointing food stop.
Yeah, this Del Taco kind of sucks.
That Del Taco is no good, huh?
I didn't like it at all. Will not be back.
We saw Ghost Town Road. I feel like we should get off.
What do you think, Gabriel?
Yeah, send it.
How much to turn around?
You didn't get that military discount, so we're turning around. We're in Europe.
Did you get in time?
I got it.
His lights weren't on, he's speeding.
Is that where we're going now? We're going to Zizix?
Do it.
So we're about 100 miles from Vegas, huh? And we're already taking pit stops. We've stopped like 5 times. We gotta go bury the body.
He's gonna jump into it.
He's gonna get bit by a rattlesnake.
It's the most awkward thing I've seen in a while.
Hey, so we're gonna try to get this thing on the racetrack at Speed Vegas.
Yeah, that
We're
way.
gonna pair you up versus a Lamborghini. What do you think?
I think I'll win.
You're not gonna win.
I got power mode, Lamborghini doesn't.
An oasis in the middle of the desert. What was this shit used for?
It's an old military complex.
I heard it was a health spa. Fountain of Youth.
Maybe I love it. Another hard day on the ranch. This is a weird place, dude. I don't get what's going on.
Job for the alligators.
Snakes.
Doing shit. Working.
Yeah, I'll set it. Oh shit.
What?
Thorn.
Ow.
I never knew Walteriffic was a news channel. Walter's coming to AIMExpo, so
He is.
not that you would want to see him more than me, but come out and see him too.
You think this shitbox Prius is gonna hold up that Lamborghini?
You're gonna drive the Prius, I'm gonna drive the Lamborghini. We're at the circus. Where's all the crazy clowns? Where's
Look at this. That's our view.
Yeah, that's a good view, bro.
Okay. Was that your bush for the night? Well, we're here. We don't have a whole lot to do tonight. In fact, we don't have anything to do tonight. Everything we're doing is tomorrow. Tomorrow, we're gonna go to Red Rock Harley Davidson. We're gonna check out where we're gonna do a meet and greet. Then we're gonna get in the car, follow the route from the dealer to AIMExpo at Mandalay Bay and make sure that there's no hiccups there. Then we're going to Speed Vegas to get the Prius on the track, and we're gonna race the Prius versus a Lamborghini.
Top prize gonna win.
No, it's not.
Every time.
It's not. You've never been to Vegas before, so this is gonna be an experience. What are you doing?
Sucking on some oxy.
You're sucking on that.
The blue one has Viagra.
Prius versus Lamborghini. What do you think?
The Prius will be a dot. Rearview mirror.
Yeah.
I'm not a believer.
You're gonna win all kinds of money. You're gonna win it all.
Never had White Castle. We're going to White Castle. Crazy night in Vegas. How you feeling?
I'm looking for my keys.
So what are we doing today?
Going to drive a Prius around a track.
That's true. But first we're gonna go to Red Rock Harley Davidson. We're gonna scope out where we're gonna host this meet and greet with Walteriffic, Shade Tree Surgeon, the Kleb, and myself.
Not too shabby.
It's a good selection right there. Traffic, Vegas traffic. This sucks. It's worse than the 405. Of course, we're in this Prius, so it makes it all better, right?
We're on EV mode right now. Saving the planet.
This is where we're gonna do the meetup. We're gonna do it at Red Rock, Harley Davidson. There's gonna be plenty of parking. So then we're gonna walk through the doors, and under this flag, you see this beautiful American flag? There's gonna be a couple tables, and this is where Shade Tree Surgeon, Walteriffic, the Kleb, and we're gonna be hanging out and waiting to meet with you guys. I'm gonna have posters and stickers and all kinds of stuff for you guys. And I'll be recording videos, so if you guys come up to me, you guys are gonna make the video. Dude, on our way to Vegas, we passed what?
We passed the Lambos.
Yeah.
We've been talking about them ever since. I need to go ride the Lambo.
All right, so while we're out here, AIMExpo set us up with something special. They connected us with a company called Speed Vegas. If you know anything about them, it's a closed course racetrack that you can rent high-end cars, Lamborghinis, Porsches, Ferraris, all of it. Dude, we're gonna go there and we're gonna race. We're gonna go drive some of these cars and we're gonna really try to get this Prius on the track.
So we can prove to everybody that the puppy Prius is a lot faster of a vehicle.
We made it. We made it really quickly. Delink, there's already a couple Priuses on the track.
You can dive down into a shootout, you get a great run for a half-mile straightaway.
All right, guys, here we are. We're in this Lamborghini Gallardo. Anyway, this is Chris. He's our instructor for today. You're gonna get us around the track fast but safe, yeah?
You bet.
We're at Speed Vegas, and we're living it up, man. This is how the other half live, I guess, right?
Crank it up. There we go.
How long you been doing this, Chris?
About a year and a half.
Any crashes?
Nope.
What year is this car?
This is a 13.
Well, it'll be the fastest car I've ever been in.
Nice. You know, just be smooth, on and off the throttle. It's kind of like a bike. We're not going to wheelie, but the back end likes to spin out. Let's do it.
All right.
We go hard right here, and we'll go down this little pit road. All right, we're on the track. Accelerate here as hard as you want. All the way up. A little more gas now through the left. This is where you really want to look ahead. There you go. Look even further right. Turn into your left. Nice. That's smooth. A little bit of gas now through this right. Keep accelerating here through the left. There you go. Back over to the right. And then brake toward that blue cone. Back off your gas. We're going to brake toward the blue. Start turning in here. Just coasting. Now squeeze back into the gas. Unwind your wheel. And let it rip. There you go. Shift up. Back into the gas a little bit through this right, a little more through the left. Keep looking ahead out of here. We're aiming straight for that blue cone way up ahead. Straighten it up, brake toward the blue, off the brake, turn into your right. A little bit of gas now around this left. There you go. Much better through there. Squeeze back into the gas there. There you go. Right side apex here. Back brake here. Turn in left. Tighter, tighter. Now straighten it back up and let it rip right down the middle. Keep going, keep going. All right. So that's 5 laps for we're gonna take this one as a cool down. Nice job.
Thank you, sir. Good teacher. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
What? What? To the barrels! To the barrels! Woo! To the barrels, boy! Woo!
So yeah, we had a fun time in Vegas. It was a good time. We were only there for about a day, so we made the most of it. Clearly the highlight of the trip was the Speed Vegas stuff. We thought it'd be relevant to you because, well shit, they're in Las Vegas, we're all gonna be in Las Vegas, and it'd be a really fun thing to do while you're in Vegas. They were super gracious and awesome to us. So if you guys got the money, man, and you wanna drive some cool cars, there it is, that place is for you, Speed Vegas. And Speed Vegas, if you guys are watching this video, love you all, man. We had so much fun, can't wait to come back, do it all over again. All right, so let's talk about AIMExpo and why you have to go to AIMExpo. AIMExpo is the premier motorcycle show that you need to attend. It's the biggest, it's the best, it's what we have in the United States, and we must support it. If you guys aren't familiar with AIMExpo, let me tell you what you can expect. It's where you can go to find all the latest and greatest for your motorcycle. All the gadgetry, all the apparel, all the motorcycles. In fact, they even offer demos for all the new OEMs. If you're in the market and thinking about buying a brand new bike, this is a good opportunity for you to check out the show, see the bikes, and test ride them. AIMExpo is the motorcycle event of the year. Don't miss it. If you don't believe me, go back to one of my previous videos and watch it and see for yourself. Plus, it's in Vegas. Can you even think of a better place to hang out and look at motorcycles? Now let me get into the AIMExpo details. So the AIMExpo is happening. It's the 13th and 14th, which is Saturday and Sunday in October coming up. Our meet and greet takes place at 9 a.m. at Red Rock Harley Davidson. We're gonna hang out there for about an hour and a half. They're gonna bring out coffee, juice, and donuts for everybody. And during that time, we're all gonna be there to hang out with you guys. Kleb and I, we're gonna bring posters and stickers. It's all gonna be free. And some of you guys know I always record the meet and greets. So if you guys wanna be in the video, definitely come and see me. I'll put you in. Once we're through with the meet and greet, we're all gonna get on our motorcycles and we're gonna ride to Mandalay Bay, the convention center where AIMExpo is being held. Now don't worry, if you don't have a motorcycle, it doesn't matter. You can still come to the meet and greet. You don't have to ride. It's a real quick ride anyway from the dealer to the expo. Just show up, hang out, drive your car, whatever, it doesn't matter. And then make your way over to the expo any way that you can. You don't have to ride. It's just kind of an added bonus if you do. All the information's on my website at suburbandelinquent.com. Guys, I want to see you there. I want to meet each and every one of you. Vegas is a great place for a vacation. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this one. But before I do, I want to give AIMExpo a huge shout out. Really appreciate you guys bringing us out there year after year. And for the rest of you guys watching this video, support the companies that support us. I'll see you guys in Vegas. Later. All right, how'd you do? We're getting our lap time. Final lap time.
We got your lap time. And it is...
1 minute, 15 seconds.
Oh, Gabriel came
There it is.
I'm glad Papa delayed you didn't win because I would have felt pretty bad. Here we go, man. And you helped me win in the Papa Priors too. MVP.